Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, future champions, to the exciting world of Clash Royale. This incredibly popular mobile game pits you against other players in fast-paced, strategic duels. You'll be collecting and upgrading unique cards, then deploying them to defend your towers and destroy your opponents. Whether you're just starting out in 2025 or looking for a fresh guide, we've got you covered. Get ready to conquer the arenas. Your journey begins by heading to your phone's app store, searching for Clash Royale, and hitting that download button. It's completely free to play. After installation, the game will guide you through setting up or linking a Supercell ID, which keeps your progress safe across devices. You'll then experience a short, helpful tutorial that teaches you how to deploy cards and understand your objectives. It's designed to get you comfortable with the basics very quickly. At its heart, Clash Royale is about strategically deploying cards to destroy your opponent's king and princess towers while defending your own. Every card costs elixir, a resource that slowly refills during the match. Learning to manage your elixir flow and make efficient trades is key to victory. You'll build an 8-card battle deck, so try out different combinations to find what works best for your playstyle. Balance offense and defense for the best results. To truly excel, focus on card synergies. Discover how certain troops, spells, and buildings combine for devastating effects, like pairing a tank with ranged damage. Climbing the trophy ladder, or ladder pushing, involves winning consecutive battles to reach higher arenas and unlock new cards. Don't forget to join a clan. These communities are fantastic for trading cards, getting valuable tips from experienced players, and participating in exciting clan wars for extra rewards. Clash Royale is constantly evolving, with Supercell regularly releasing new cards, balancing existing ones, and introducing fun challenges. Stay active in the game and check for updates to keep your strategies fresh. Engaging with the community, perhaps on platforms like Reddit or YouTube, can provide great insights and help you discover new meta decks. Most importantly, remember to have fun with it. Experiment with wild decks, don't be afraid to lose, and enjoy becoming a legendary Clash Royale player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.